Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be stepping you through how to create a video like this.
Hey Ahmed, can you believe it? 2025 is just around the corner.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast. Any resolutions for the new year?
Definitely. I want to focus more on self-improvement and maybe start that online business I've been talking about. What about you?
Same here. I'm thinking of learning a new skill like video editing or coding.
So stay with me from the beginning of this video to the last end of it. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any issue, you can drop it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe so that you don't miss out very important updates from me like this. So let's dive right into it. So what you basically need to do is to launch your ChatGPT, and then you ask ChatGPT to generate a conversation between two people. So I would say write a 30 seconds conversation between two young men about the new year 2025. And I'm going to click on send. So this is what ChatGPT has given me, and I'm going to copy that one. After copying it, I'm going to head to my Google Docs. And when I launch my docs, I'm going to come to this place where I have the plus sign, and I'll tap on it. And I'll come to the down one which says new docs file. So I'm going to tap on that one. So when it opens, this is how it's going to look like. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the text here. So after pasting the text here, you see that the conversation is between two people, that is Ali and Ahmed. So you are going to copy that of one. So you can copy that of Ali and paste it here. And when you finish, you come and copy that of Ahmed. When you are copying, remember not to add the name. So you copy that one, come down, paste it here. So when you are done copying them, you can save it for the meantime. Now what is next is to generate our audio. So we'll be doing this using this website called Adobe Animate from Audio. So what you basically need to do is to go to your Chrome and type Adobe Animate from Audio. So when you click on enter, you click on the first link that you see there. So when it loads, it's going to give you this interface, and you have to scroll down till you see where it says web version. Then you click on continue. After you click on continue, it's going to bring you to this interface. But before that, you may be asked to sign up with your Google account. Then when you come to this interface, what you need to do is to come to size and select the aspect ratio you want to use. So if you want to use YouTube ratio, you select 16:9. And if you want to use TikTok ratio, you select 9:16. And if you want to change the cartoon, you come to character and swipe around to select the particular character you want to use. So I want to use this particular character. And if you want to scale up or scale down the character, you come to this circle where it says character scale and drag it to the right if you want to increase the size of the character, or left if you want to reduce the size of the character. And you can also decide to change the background by clicking on the background. So having done all these things, what you need to do is to import your audio. So you come to where it says record your character dialog or browse. So when you want to import your audio, you tap on browse. And if you want to do voiceover, record your voice, you come to where it says record. So when you tap on browse, it's going to send you to your files. Then you select the audio that you want to import. Then after selecting the audio you want to import, you allow it to load. After the video is ready, you can preview the video from here by tapping on the play icon in the middle there. And after it has been previewed, you can download the video. You can save it into your gallery by clicking on download, and it will be saved into your gallery. So you can play it to see.
Hey Ahmed, can you believe it? 2025 is just around the corner. Definitely. I want to focus more on self-improvement and maybe start that online business I've been talking about.
So when you are done with this one, you do same to the other text, but then you have to change a different character since we are dealing with two people here.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast. Any resolutions for the new year? Same here. I'm thinking of learning a new skill like video editing or coding.
Now, the most important aspect of this tutorial is where we are getting to. So what I want you to do is to like this video if you have not liked it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? So what we are going to do is to edit the video such that they can talk interchangeably. I mean, conversation. So what we are going to do is to launch either your CapCut or your InShot. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using InShot. So I launch my InShot. And when I launch my InShot, I'm going to click on new. So after clicking on new, I'm going to import a picture which will be saved as my background picture. And this is the picture I want to use as my background picture. And I'm going to expand it so that it can fit into the space. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to canvas, then I'll click on canvas, and I'm going to drag this rightward so that it can fit into the space properly. Then having done that, I will hit the check mark. Then when I hit the check mark, I'm going to extend the duration of the picture. So let's leave it at 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to import the video. So you scroll through this element till you see this PIP, then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to send you to your gallery. So you start importing the video. So I'll import the first video. I want it to fill the screen. So I'm going to come to this place and click on it. It is called autofill. Then I'm going to bring the other video. So I'll click on PIP again, which is right here. Then I'll bring my second video and I'm going to click on autofill, and I'm going to move it small to this place. Now let's assume that you want to use this green background that you are looking at right now. If you actually want to use it, what we are going to do is you are going to scroll around till you see mask. then you tap on mask. Then when you tap on mask, you select the second one here, select that one. Then you use your 2 fingers to turn it like this. So after turning it, you move it to the right so that the other character can be seen. So having done that, you hit the check mark and start editing with this particular background. But if you don't want to use this background and you want to use a different background, since this is a cartoon video, it will be appropriate you use a cartoon background. So what you need to do is to go to your Chrome and type cartoon background. So when you type cartoon background, they are going to give you different ones, and you select the one you want to use. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete them so that I'll start again. So let's start from here. I'm going to search for cut out, which is here, and when I tap on cut out, I'm going to come to Chrome. Then I'm going to remove this particular background. Then you hit the check mark. After removing the background, you see that the cartoon is standing on the table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reposition it somewhere here. I think this is okay, and I'll bring the other video, second video. So I'll click on PIP, and I'll click on PIP again and bring the second video. Click on autofill, then you look for cut out, then you tap on chroma. Then after tapping on chroma, you can slide it to remove the background. Then you adjust it to fit into the screen well. So I think I like it this way. Then having done that, you hit the check mark. When you try to play this one, you see that you'll be talking at the same time.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast.
2025 is just around.
So this first video, the one that is down, the name is Ali, and the second cartoon is called Ahmed. So it is the first cartoon that is doing the first talking, that asks the first question. So what we are going to do, we are going to freeze this one. We are going to freeze Ahmed so that Ali can do the talking, the first talking. So you activate that one, you activate Ahmed's own. If you don't know, this is Ali, this is Ahmed. Then you look for freeze, scroll around, look for freeze. This is freeze, so you tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to freeze that part. So let's play to see.
Hey Ahmed, can you believe it? 2025 is just
I
around the
know,
corner.
right? This year flew by so fast. Any resolution?
Where he ended is 2025 is just at the corner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this one. I'm going to move it like this. I'm going to move it like this. Then I'll extend this one. I'm going to extend this one. Sorry. I'm going to extend it to that place. Remember not to leave spaces between them, because if you leave spaces, it's going to affect the video. So let's play and see.
Hey Ahmed, can you believe it? 2025 is just around the corner.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast. I know, right?
So let me still adjust it small.
Around the corner.
I know. I know, right?
So so after he said that, Ahmed also responded. So we are going to freeze Ali so that Ahmed can talk. So activate that of Ahmed, then you freeze that part. So you freeze it this way. Then let's play and see.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast. Any resolutions for the new year?
Definitely.
Same.
So it says any resolution
new
for the new year. So it is a question. So we expect Ali to also answer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it. Sorry. Let me see.
Resolutions for the new year?
So any resolution for the new year. We want to end
For the new year?
Okay. So I think it will end here. Any resolution for the new year. So I'm going to move this one. Then I'm going to increase the freeze. I'm going to extend it till that length. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to freeze Ahmed. I'm going to freeze Ahmed. So let's play.
Definitely. I want to focus more on self-improvement.
Same here.
Maybe start that online business I've been talking about.
So I want to focus more on self-improvement and start the online business that I'm talking about. So this is where it has ended. So what you're going to do, you are going to bring this one. So I'm going to increase the freeze. This length you are looking at, the one I've just activated, is the length of the freeze. So what we are going to do, I'm going to pull it, I'm going to extend it to that end so that it will freeze up to that end. So let's see.
Definitely. I want to focus more on self-improvement and maybe start that online business I've been talking about.
So let's freeze it from there. We are going to freeze it from here. So let's see. Let's play to see.
Same here. I'm thinking of learning a new skill like video editing or coding.
Let's make it a year of growth and
2025 feels like a
opportunities.
fresh start.
So 2025 is like a first start. So I will bring this one here, and I'm going to extend the freeze to that length. And I'll freeze this one. I'm going to freeze this one. So let's bring it back to my play.
Same here. I'm thinking of learning a new skill like video editing or coding. 2025 feels like a fresh start.
True. Let's make it a year of growth and opportunities.
Absolutely. Here's
True.
2025 feels like a fresh start.
True. Let's make it a year of growth and opportunities.
Absolutely. Here's to a great 2025, my friend.
growth and opportunities.
Absolutely. Here.
So let me duplicate this one. Let me duplicate it.
A year of growth and opportunities.
Absolutely. Here's to a great
Let's
2025,
make
my
it a
friend.
year.
So I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to freeze that one. Let me play and see.
Let's make it a year of growth and opportunities.
Absolutely. Here's to a great 2025, my friend.
So I think we can end it here. So let me delete this one. So let's play the whole thing and see.
Hey Ahmed, can you believe it? 2025 is just around the corner.
I know, right? This year flew by so fast. Any resolutions for the new year?
Definitely. I want to focus more on self-improvement and maybe start that online business I've been talking about. What about you?
Same here. I'm thinking of learning a new skill like video editing or coding. 2025 feels like a fresh start.
True. Let's make it a year of growth and opportunity.
So when you are done, you can go ahead and save your video by clicking on export. So thanks for watching this video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.